World ID. Some of you might be familiar with this word, while others may have heard it for the first time and started wondering about it. Don't you? Now your mind must be flooded with questions like, is this something related to a unique ID that can be used worldwide? Is it a new government project where we will get digital IDs as an alternative to physical passports? Hold on. This video on World ID will clarify all your doubts and educate you on what this new technology is all about. So let's begin without any delay. What is World ID? As we all know, since the development of the internet, the issue of digital identity has remained unresolved. Still, more than 50% of people across the world don't possess a verifiable legal ID. So in particular, resolving proof of personhood is crucial to guarantee democratic access and administration of these systems, equitably distribute the advantages produced, and know who and what to trust online, especially as we enter the exciting new age of artificial intelligence where anything is possible. Now, with a focus on privacy, self-sovereignty, and decentralization, Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, along with Alex Blania and Max Novenstern co-founded WorldCoin, a cryptocurrency and digital identification project that was launched on July 24, 2023. The WorldCoin comes with four major components. ORB scans eyeballs at orb centers. World ID generates a unique digital identity, SWLD, native token of the WorldCoin protocol. World App, powering payment and dApps. So if we particularly talk about World ID, it is the platform's main function that enables users to verify their identities online. The Orb, an eye-scanning device, creates World IDs for those who are interested. The Orb takes a picture of the user's iris because it creates an iris code, a distinctive identification code that is as unique as a person's fingerprints. The code is used to prevent individuals from obtaining multiple World IDs. Each World ID is stored on the WorldCoin blockchain, and users can use the World app to authenticate their identities anytime they want. According to Sam Altman, the World ID feature will act as proof of personhood. World ID can be viewed as a worldwide digital passport that resides locally on the phone of its owner. The main benefit of World ID is that its owners can utilize zero-knowledge proofs to demonstrate their uniqueness and reality without disclosing any personal information. World ID comes with multiple verification types in order to ensure accuracy. Given its inclusivity, scalability, and resilience, this incorporates phone number verification and privacy-preserving iris verifications as the flagship credential at launch. The Orb, an open iris imaging device created by TFH, is the first hardware product to implement this standard. It is portable and simple to use, built to function in unreliable settings, and, most importantly, it was created to ensure privacy even more than the zero-knowledge cryptography of the underlying protocol by executing its 7 neural networks locally on the device. It's important to note that World ID is independent and not connected to its owner's biometrics, phone number, cryptocurrency wallet, or any other form of identification. Moreover, in keeping with the passport analogy, proof of personhood verifications, such as the Orb, are effective stamps that enable the bearer to demonstrate that a certain passport has been verified without disclosing details of the verification or the passport in question. Market overview of this unique startup. During its beta phase, WorldCoin claims to have authenticated more than 2 million users in more than 30 countries. By the end of 2023, it intends to extend its Orb network to 35 cities across 20 nations. Needless to say, WorldCoin's distinctive identification technology makes it a useful tool. Additionally, Altman expects that WorldCoin will someday open the door to a global universal basic income, UBI. So what's your opinion on the same? Do you want to become a part of this emerging technology? Write to us in the comments section below. For more information on blockchain development or consultation services, you can reach us by simply clicking the link given below in the description.